welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do an apartment tour because I am a single woman living in Philly, and I know that a lot of the apartments on the Sweet Digs videos are in New York City, and New York City rent is ridiculously expensive, whereas Philly is a much more affordable city. Obviously it has its expensive spots, but generally speaking it's a much more affordable city. So I figured I'd show what my apartment looks like for someone who pays relatively low rent. So starting off, we have my entryway with my plant art. I got that from, I think, Marshall's, maybe? Yeah, probably Marshall's or Home Goods or whatever. I think they're the same store anyway. And then right across from my coat rack, I have a plant and another shoe rack that is also from IKEA. And so this is my living room, all of it. Again, it's pretty small. My apartment's about like 500 square feet, so there really isn't too much to see. Because my apartment is so small, it's really important for me to have a lot of greenery in my apartment, and that really kind of complements my decor because most of my decor is white and gray and neutrals with some pops of color with the plants and things like that and the pillows. And one of the guiding principles that I have for my furniture, especially in a small space, is that everything kind of has to be multifunctional. So I tend to buy a lot of items with storage space. And then we have my kitchen, which is, again, really small. It's basically just like a hallway between my bedroom and my living room. And so I don't have much counter space, and for that reason I actually bought an industrial cutting board to put over my sink and use that as like a surface. And so I kind of move that between my stovetop and the sink, depending on what I need to do. If I need to use the sink, I'll just move it on top of the stovetop. If I need to use the stovetop, I'll move it back on top of the sink, and it gets the job done. And I highly recommend that for people who don't have much counter space. Like, definitely get a large cutting board because I can do all the things that I need to do with that. And then right across from my sink and quote-unquote kitchen, I have my bathroom. Again, pretty small, and so I had to buy a rack from IKEA to get some storage for my like hair and body products, as you can see. And so again, a lot of storage space is needed. And then I have more plants in my bathroom. I just like having plants everywhere. As you'll see in this video, I have plants in every room of my apartment. And so then my favorite room of the entire apartment, my bedroom. And so I have this canopy bed that I got from Wayfair back before the whole conspiracy theory, so you know, do with that what you will. And then I have my little makeup vanity area and a little desk corner that I just usually do work at, or I do my makeup at. Since the light is facing towards me, it's a really good spot for doing makeup, and also just a nice spot when I'm doing work to have a view of outdoors. And so this is just essentially what my room looks like from end to end. As you can see, I don't really have a closet, so I had to put up some clothing racks that I got from IKEA. I have two racks, one for my like multicolored clothing and then another one for my black and white clothing. And then I got some artwork from Marshall's as well. And then I have a whiteboard that I use as a calendar just to take notes and keep track of any major events. And then again, I have some more plants in my room, again, because I love having greenery in my space. I really like having plants attached to my canopy bed because I just feel like it adds some cohesion to all the parts of the room. I've basically shown you all there is to see in my bedroom, and so with that, I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content sometime in the future, soon. Now, you know, just subscribe, just do it, please. Thanks, bye. Baby, work it, baby.